So what is AIDA? Attention, interest, desire, and action, right? So how have I built this up in the video? I drew your attention to the video with a thumbnail. With the start of the video and the header for the video, what I've done is I've created an interest. I'm talking to you as another creator, and I'm basically creating a desire in you for your channel to do well and to potentially utilize this method and to continue watching the video. That's how I've kind of set this up. And when it comes down to the action part, if you really like the video, you want to learn more about marketing, hit that subscribe button, baby. But this is really, really important, and learning about marketing can be very, very helpful to you if you want to do well in absolutely any area. I enjoy YouTube. I think it's a lot of fun. So that's what I'm really doing here. I'm just having a bit of fun, but hopefully this is going to really help you. And if you want to learn a little bit more about it, how you can build up your attractive character, make yourself stronger and stuff, check out some of my other videos. I'm not a big YouTuber, but when it comes down to it, I'm trying to offer as good marketing advice as possible in order to help people, because that's my ultimate goal here on YouTube. I'm not really here for the profits. Anyway, catch you later. You have a lovely day. Bye.